In today's wealth of cybersecurity online courses, our team of experts has selected the top options for both working professionals aiming to progress in their careers and beginners entering the field. Choosing the right cybersecurity course can be overwhelming given the plethora of options available. To compile this list of online cybersecurity courses, we consulted with prominent security professionals to gather recommendations tailored for newcomers, computer science students, business individuals, and security professionals seeking career advancement. Here are the best of the free cybersecurity courses online. 1. TryHackMe. TryHackMe provides content tailored for individuals new to cybersecurity, covering a wide range of topics that include training in both offensive and defensive security techniques. The platform features capture the flag exercises accompanied by walkthrough write-ups from contributing users, allowing members to gain insights into problem-solving approaches. There are 4 proficiency levels available. 1. Complete beginners, geared towards those with no computing knowledge who are unsure of where to begin. 2. Early intermediates, designed for individuals with basic computing knowledge and familiarity with Linux. 3. Intermediates, intended for those who understand how computers work and possess basic security experience. 4. Advanced, tailored for cybersecurity professionals and penetration testers. In addition to these proficiency levels, TryHackMe offers modules covering Linux, network security, web hacking, and Windows fundamentals. The platform also provides courses on cryptography, shells, privilege escalation, and basic computer exploitation. 2. Hack the Box. Hack the Box is focused on offensive security, providing a live training environment for hackers to hone their skills without causing any harm to production systems. The platform features retired boxes with write-ups contributed by the Hack the Box community, offering guided assistance for those seeking step-by-step guidance. Additionally, active boxes are available where solutions are not publicly disclosed. Successfully hacking into these active boxes earns users points, contributing to their rank improvement within the Hack the Box community. It's important to note that Hack the Box offers both free and paid tiers, encompassing a collection of deliberately vulnerable platforms. These platforms highlight and demonstrate various vulnerabilities, exploits, and attack patterns, covering a spectrum of difficulty levels and sophistication. 3. Bugcrowd University. Bugcrowd University is a helpful resource for anyone wanting to improve their skills in finding security vulnerabilities, especially in the field of bug bounties. The website provides easy-to-understand content with the goal of increasing the number of skilled individuals in bug bounty programs. The material ranges from basic information to more advanced topics, making it useful for both beginners and experienced practitioners. Bugcrowd University is free and open to the public, aiming to enhance the skills of security researchers in the industry. It includes different sections to help researchers identify the most important and common bugs that can impact users. Each section includes slides, videos, and practical exercises to help researchers become experts in bug hunting, ultimately aiming to set a new standard for security testing training in the industry. 4. SANS CyberAces Online. CyberAces Online functions as a non-profit organization under the SANS Institute, which generously donates training courses. The SANS Institute is renowned for managing one of the highest quality security training organizations globally, and through CyberAces, it offers free access to fundamental security knowledge for professors, teachers, business professionals, and security experts. The self-paced courses are chosen from SANS professional development curriculum, providing a blend of tutorials and videos that students can engage with at their own pace. These programs encompass the essential aspects of information security, focusing on operating systems, networking, and system administration. 5. Federal Virtual Training Environment. The Federal Virtual Training Environment provides online cybersecurity courses at no cost for federal government personnel and veterans. The program recognizes the valuable background of former military personnel in the security industry. Administered by the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, offers over 800 hours of training covering diverse topics like ethical hacking, surveillance, risk management, and malware analysis. The courses cater to proficiency levels ranging from beginners to advanced learners. Additionally, several courses align with various IT certifications, including CompTIA's Network Plus and Security Plus, as well as the Certified Information Systems Security Professional. That's all for today. I hope you like our video. Be sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful content.